Today I'm going to share with you how to make Chipotle Style BARBACOA bowls at home. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by making our adobo sauce for our barbacoa. So to the blender cup, add the chile chipotles in adobo sauce, along with 5 garlic cloves, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 cup of beef broth, and all of our spices. Now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Ready? And once we have that, now we can get ready to cook our meat. Alrighty guys, so to our pressure cooker, we're going to be adding our large chunks of beef. Here we're going to season it with salt and black pepper. Now add the adobo sauce, along with another cup of beef broth. Add the onion and bay leaves. Now we're going to pressure cook on high for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Alrighty guys, and once our meat is done cooking, we're going to carefully open our pressure cooker. Our meat should be nice and tender, so now we're just going to remove it from the pot so we can shred it. Okay, and once we have shredded our meat, we're going to return it to the broth. Just make sure to remove the bay leaves and the onion. Okay, and we just leave it in there until it's time to serve. Alright guys, I'm going to be making the corn salsa. So to 3 cups of corn, I'm going to add 1 roasted poblano pepper, a handful of cilantro, 2 jalapenos, 1/4 of an onion, the juice of 1 lime, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Just going to mix it all together. Now Chipotle uses the white corn, but tell me why. I got mine, but look how it looks. It's super tiny, so definitely can't use that. Going to use what we have. And this right here is going to be just as delicious. Okay, once we have that, you can taste it and adjust it if needed. But now we're just going to refrigerate until it's time to serve. Alright guys, now for our cilantro lime sauce, we're going to be adding 3/4 of a cup of sour cream to our blender cup, along with 4 roasted jalapenos, a handful of cilantro, 2 garlic cloves, the juice of 1 lime, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, onion powder, and salt. And now we're just going to be blending until smooth. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our sauce. And here you're going to taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. Okay, now we're just going to refrigerate it until it's time for serving. Alright guys, now for our queso blanco, we're going to be melting 1 tablespoon of butter over medium-low heat. Okay, once the butter has melted, we're going to add our onion and jalapeno. Just going to saute it for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, we're going to add our 1 roasted poblano pepper along with our minced garlic. We're going to mix it and allow that to saute for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, add the evaporated milk. Just mix as you're pouring. And we're just going to allow this to heat up. Okay, once you begin to see the bubbles forming on the walls of our pot, our milk has heated up. So here we're going to be adding aroma tomato, along with our chipotle. Just going to mix it, add your ground cumin and salt. Okay, once we have mixed it, now we're going to be adding our cornstarch. And here I have it dissolved with 2 tablespoons of milk. So just pour it and make sure that you're whisking. And here we're just going to allow it to thicken up. And once you see that our milk has thickened up, okay, so here we're going to turn it off, and now we're slowly going to add our 2 cups of cheese. So just add it little at a time, allow that to melt. And I'm using white cheddar and pepper jack, but of course you can use whatever white cheese you have. Just make sure that you grate it. Okay, once that has melted, add the rest. And just allow it to fully melt. But just like that, we have our delicious white queso. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. Now of course, our bowls need our rice. For me, my favorite is cilantro lime. With that, my pinto beans, some fajitas. Now here we have our delicious barbacoa, our guacamole. Here we have the pico de gallo, our corn salad, and of course, our cilantro lime sauce. And I like to serve my queso on the side, but just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you that the best food is homemade, and this right here is no exception. So I am so ready. I like to get my chip and of course dip it into my queso. Going to get my barbacoa. And I will typically just add all my toppings here, but we don't want to take a big bite. grab the salsa here. Now, hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as we do. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. The barbacoa is so flavorful. It's just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious barbacoa bowls at home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're into my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.